Al from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Suzuki Swift here on a 2016 plate. As you can see right there, the position lamp isn't working on this side. It is a 501 bulb, which can be found in the description, the link for it. And it is quite easy to replace as well. As you can see, that there is working. So that's the main dip bulb, position bulb, and that's a high beam, low beam as well. Indicator bulbs right at the top. Now it's H for the main dip, high beam and full beam. Low beam, 501, and then this is going to be a 581, I think. That's what it's going to be. But what we're doing is we're replacing this one on this side. So it is, like I said, it is an easy procedure. That's the plug right there. As you can see, the brown and the black plug. I mean, I can't get to it. So it's that one there. All you do is get your hand in there, twist it to your left, pull the bulb holder out, take the bulb out, put the new one in, and job done. I'm just going to show you how it's done. Right, okay, so what I'm going to do now is get my hand in there, twist that to my left, as you can see right there, and then that's the bulb holder right here. So what I do now is I have to see if I can somehow set the camera up. I don't want to drop it. Oops. Nope, not a good idea. Here we go. So bulb out. Got the new one already here. So that's the new one. And then only go one way, so that's in there now. So what we're going to do is slide it back in through the hole. You can see the hole right there. Once it goes through the hole, you locate the pins. So that's not in yet. That's in, and you turn it to your right. So that's solid now. So what we're going to do, we're going to check, see if it's working. Right, here we go. That's it. That's all done. That's working. And then this one here is working as well. That's all it is on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. This is a Suzuki Swift on a 2016 model. The bulb you need is a 501 bulb, which is for the position lamp, parking lamp, whatever you can call it. Sidelight bulb. The main dip bulb, which high beam and low beam, is H4, and the indicator is 581 as well. Now, if you did find this video useful and it's helped you, saved you a lot of money, don't forget to like and share it. And also, there's a special thanks button. Do click on that as well. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you and goodbye.